I am Yashar from Indonesia. I am here to present my suggestion of the real structure of the universe. Humbly, I apologize. The thing in my idea, the real structure of the universe is far from what Big Bang Theory expressed. Hello, here is cloud and rain model universe which is simpler and easier to understand than Big Bang Theory, more logic than Big Bang Theory, and can explain mysteries in Big Bang Theory. We can get that by the three foundations of cloud and rain model universe, which are pattern facts of nature in the entire universe, concept of compressed matter beside the ordinary matter, and derivation equation of Newton gravity equation as follows: F equal G times D1 times D2 times M1 times M2 divided T1 times T2 times R square. Humbly, I apologize. I express this all here because for a long time I only got zero response from formal institutions and professionals and little negative response from friends. Okay, we start. Why the structure of the universe is cloud and rain model? Cloud and rain model universe is a model of the universe structure where galaxy clusters have characters like cloud on our sky, and center of the universe is located at southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. This center is based on signal by dark flow claimed by Alexander Kaslinsky and his collaborators in 2008. The cycle of the space of the universe is by continuous constructing and developing of stars, galaxies, and galaxy clusters, and then continued by vanishing galaxies or galaxy clusters. The galaxies to get vanished is due to condensing and galaxies crash. The vanished galaxies split back toward universe cores due to gravity of the universe core like rain on our Earth. Cloud and rain model universe inspired by smallest stable structure with its atom that contains electrons to orbit atom nucleus or proton and neutron. Then it is followed by planet orbited by the moons. After that, the solar system where the star orbited by planets. Unexpectedly, this character doesn't continue at galaxies and galaxy clusters. Billions or trillions of stars do not orbit galaxy center at all. The shape and the size of galaxies are quite irregular. Surprisingly, this galaxy's character is very much the same like the character of the cloud on our sky. At first, it looks quite illogical. But when we go further to scrutinize the structure, we will get that the distance between electrons and atom's nucleus is so much bigger than the size of electrons. Likewise, the distance between atoms in the structure of the cloud is so much bigger than the size of electrons. The situation shows us that there is so much equality pattern between galaxies and the cloud on our sky. Then, coincidentally or not, we get that the pictures of galaxies and galaxy clusters taken by telescope are very much like the pictures of the cloud on our sky. The difference is only the color. This equality pattern between galaxies and the cloud on our sky inspired the idea of cloud and rain model universe. That inspiration was at around 2012. As an illustration, cloud and rain model universe expects that we just get the observation of space at about less than or much less than 20% of the entire universe. While Big Bang Theory, with its first prediction that the age of the universe is 13.8 billion years, assume that we have observed almost all of the entire universe. So, cloud and rain model universe has equality pattern with the cloud and the earth. The situation is harmonious with pattern facts of nature. Pattern facts of nature is the highest law in the universe. It is the ultimate judge of everything. We can mention it as the law of everything. Physics law cases and events are harmonious with pattern facts of nature. Likewise, theories and conclusions in the universe have to harmonize with and obey pattern facts of nature. Pattern facts of nature is neither coincidental thing nor a man-made law. Everything without exception, including events that we experience every moment, will always follow and obey pattern facts of nature. The most significant pattern facts of nature are equality pattern, stability pattern, and uniqueness pattern. These three pattern facts are highly involved in our daily life and activities. But we are not going to discuss stability pattern and uniqueness pattern during this time. Equality pattern facts of nature states every subject or thing, either real or abstract, such as matter, energy, event, formula, space, time, and software, has equality pattern character. That is, every subject has equality pattern with other subject in this universe. In other words, there is no subject having no equality pattern at all with other subject in this universe. Most commonly, every subject, either real or abstract, has equality pattern with more than one other subject in this universe. One significant expression of equality pattern fact is mathematics. In short, cloud and rain model universe is inspired by atom structure, planet and moons, solar system, and galaxy character with this white-like cloud on our sky. First foundation of cloud and rain model universe is pattern facts of nature. And this was the situation. When first I claimed the cloud and rain model universe at around 2012 and 2013, it was all just based on the inspiration coming from atom structure, planet and moons, solar system, and galaxy character, plus little reference of galaxy, cosmos objects, space expanding, dark energy, dark matter, and pattern facts of nature as the first foundation. Nevertheless, at that time, I was already very sure that the real structure of the universe is cloud and rain model. At that time, I even haven't read yet about dark flow, although actually it was already claimed by Kozlinski and friends at 2008. This dark flow is very significant for cloud and rain model universe to signal us the pulse of the universe core. And then later on, many things support cloud and rain model universe like asymmetry, CMB, the case of over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanish, which is the event to have equality pattern with the rain on our sky, and the case of 750 galaxies beyond the observable universe, which is harmonious with the age of the universe infinite. The presentation of cloud and rain model universe comprehensively contain 3 points which are connected one another. 1. Cloud and rain model universe. 2. Concept of compressed matter besides ordinary matter. Compressed matter is the matter where there is no space in the entire matter. And 3. Derivation of Newton gravity equation. F equal G times M1 times M2 divided R squared. By inserting temperature and density into vector G, so G equal G nu times D1 times D2 divided T1 times T2. Then the derivation equation to be F equal G times D1 times D2 times M1 times M2 divided T1 times T2 times R squared. This derivation equation is valid to all matter, normal matter and compressed matter. In short, the foundation of cloud and rain model universe are pattern facts of nature, concept of compressed matter, and the derivation of Newton gravity equation. F equal G times D1 times D2 times M1 times M2 divided T1 times T2 times R squared. Thank you, friend. See you on the next article. Convincing evidence of cloud and rain model universe.